people, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiquana, also known as Q, and today I'm going to style up the pieces from my Zara haul. If you didn't get a chance to see that Zara haul, I'm gonna link it down below. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with all of your friends, and let's get right into it. Winter yet? No. So all of these looks are gonna be going into fall and fall looks. So I'm gonna start here with this red knit top. I didn't really like it all the way buttoned up, but so I unbuttoned the top button, and then I'm going to pair that with this faux leather skirt. This is like very thin. I tried to iron it, it was in my tote, and I think I kind of ruined it. Y'all see that? Can y'all see like the little, hopefully that's just oil, but we're gonna put this on with it. I also have on these Spanx that are kind of long. They're like capris. Oh yeah, I think it's oil on the skirt. It's not ruined. Okay, so now that we have on the top and the skirt, I'm gonna keep on my regular jewelry for all these outfits because I just had on my regular jewelry when I was styling the outfits. And because the outfits are kind of transitional, I wanna put sandals on. I know we have on faux leather, but we do what we want when we're popping. So I'm gonna put these on with it, and this skirt is pretty long. It's gonna add some height. And these shoes are from BCBG. If you've been watching me, I'm wearing the same stuff. I haven't really been shopping. All right, and these shoes are from BCBG. If you've been following me for a while, it's the same. I got the same clothes. I'm just wearing what I have. Okay, for bag, we're gonna do this Zara bag, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my hand like that. And for sunglasses, I wanna wear these particular sunglasses because they just look fly. And the other ones I didn't like on. So we're gonna do these like Dior dupes. Cause they just like, don't they look just so fly? Like, girl, where you going? It don't matter. And yeah, and that is the look. Now this skirt is giving very much Rick Owens, and I like that for me. Yeah, I'm feeling that. And it's kind of formal. I don't know where I'm going because it's kind of formal, but it's kind of not. So yeah, you wear this where you want, where you want to be seen. But the Zara top is the top from the haul. Next, we're gonna start with this cow print shirt. One more button. One more button. And this is top doesn't even button all the way down. Like it goes kind of like a little bit above my belly button, and then there's no more buttons. I was debating on if I wanted to like roll the sleeves up, but I think I like them long. We're gonna pair this cowl top with these faux leather shorts. These are from Zara as well in the size large. They give like a little bit of a baggy look. And don't forget, like this top is open in the back. So this is giving very much grown. Okay, so that's basically the outfit we're gonna wear. These are Margiela dupes. I saw and I have my eyes on them. The MM6 Margiela, I don't even know what they're called. Cute. I want the tan ones. They're on my wish list. Birthday coming next month, but we're gonna wear these with this outfit today. All right, for sunglasses, we're gonna do these brown, kind of like tortoise, kind of like, you got a little bit of gold in it from Free People. And then for the bag, we're going to wear the Valentino as a clutch. And that is the look. So it still gives you fall, but then it gives you like heavier fabrics. So I don't know, I thought it was cute. I'm still debating on if I want to get the pants to the top, but for now, this will do. Next, we're gonna style up my least favorite item from the Zara haul. And yeah, we're gonna start with this top. Where is it? I wanna say this top is from Zara, but it's like a bandeau. It's a little thicker than a tank. And then we're gonna pair with the skirt. I think I don't like the skirt or how the skirt fits on me because I'm short and you need longer legs for this. For the shoes, I'm gonna do these pumps from Steve Madden. They're a new pump, kind of a similar shade to the top. And I wanna do that so it doesn't make, like if I tried it on with a boot and it cut me off too much. But this is given to teacher. And I don't wanna look like that. I think where it hits and it's like flare out, like it's not ugly, but I don't wanna look like this. And with this, we're gonna wear our, everything's Zara. Our Zara bomber jacket that came out like last year. Cause I wanna kinda like sport it up. I don't want it to be so like serious. It was looking too serious. For sunglasses, we're gonna do these Loewe glasses. Yes, it's coming together. It's coming together. And for bag, we're gonna do the Bottega Jody dupe. And yeah, it came together kind of cute. And that is the look. Okay, next we're gonna start with this button up with the Picao. I think it's a Simon Miller dupe. I believe the Simon Miller top like ties in the back and like cinches your waist in. But yeah, we have the Zara one. And we're gonna pair this top with these faux leather leggings from Express. And these faux leather leggings run big in Express because I had mine are small. I have a medium too, and the medium are a little baggy. But yeah. And for shoes, we're gonna wear these Stuart Weitzman kind of like sandal booties. I don't even know how to describe these. And what I like about this is because the legging, it looked like all one leg and then your little foot is out. And I think that's cute. All right, for sunglasses, we're gonna do these Qutie frames. And then for bag, we're gonna do the Bottega Vanity. And this outfit is pretty simple, but I feel like it's cute. Date night, you go into an event, but you don't really want to do too much. And then when you turn around, how? Yeah, so that is the look. Okay, next we're gonna style this denim cape, which it wasn't that easy. It wasn't that easy to style, and I just really didn't have anything to pair with this. I wanted to wear it with some like dark denim shorts, but I didn't have any. So let's see what I came up with. So we're gonna start with this white button up. This is a different one from the other one from Zara. Okay, we're gonna pair this top with these orange shorts from BCBG. You may have seen these before. For shoes, we're going to pair them with these like cage boots from Jeffrey Campbell that I just got. They're brown. They're looking a little like burgundy, but they're brown. And then the cape. Now, because the cape is like turtlenecky, I decided to like put the collar of the shirt out and then just button it right here because it's gonna fall. I mean, I guess you can wear it open, but I feel like it's gonna fall off. So if we button it once, that'll work. For sunglasses, we're gonna wear these from, I think, Urban Outfitters, but they have a little bit like a tint of orange. And for the bag, we're gonna bring out our handy dandy Speedy bag, the OG. And that is the look. This might be my least favorite at this moment, but I still think it's cute. Still think I could wear this somewhere, but I don't know. The cape it probably gotta go back. It's cute, but it's kind of like, what you gonna wear with it? Comment down below what y'all wear with the cape. Cause I don't like that it doesn't connect either. It's like just pretty much a piece of fabric over your shoulders. They got me. But yeah, this is the look. Next, we're gonna style this burgundy poplin cape top. It's kind of like big, so we're going to start with this jumpsuit from Aritzia. It's black. It's just that one-piece bodysuit I wear to him and Zara. Y'all know it. And then we're gonna pop this on top of it. Then for shoes, we're gonna wear the boots again. For sunglasses, we're gonna wear these Celine, like gradient sunglasses. And then for bag, we're gonna wear Celine, because I just feel like this is kind of a casual outfit, but we gonna throw some boots on with it because we are going somewhere. Yeah, and that is the look. Okay, next we're gonna be styling up this rose cardigan, and you gotta be careful with these roses because they'll stretch out the little hole because it's not like it's a unique shape button. So yeah, we got this on with the push-up bra that ain't really doing much. It's not like low cut. We're going to pair this faux leather skirt from Anthropologie. It's gonna be cute for a little date night. Cute, 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 cute. For shoes, we're gonna wear those boots again, because they ours if you have them, so you're gonna keep wearing them. Cute, 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 cute. Or should I wear these? It depends on the weather, huh? I'm gonna try them out with it. I'm gonna show y'all with both shoes for the split screen. All right, so right now we have on the boots, and then we're going to, you know what bag we're going to wear. Now, I don't know if I would do a red lip. I don't know, but it might set it off. I'm not gonna change my lip today, but I might wear red lip with this. Oh, I like it with the Celines. So the same Celine glasses that we just wore with the last outfit, we're gonna wear that with this. And this is the look. Very schoolgirl cute. Yeah, and that is the look. My favorite. I wonder if what if we do the chain and crossbody it? What y'all think? Let's see. Oh, that is cute. I changed the glasses to these tinted ones from Amazon, which I like too, but I'm going to show y'all in the split screen with the boots, and you'll be seeing the other shoe boots in the split screen as well. So that is the look. Looking like a doll. Yeah, so that completes this Zara haul outfit idea video. I hope if you bought anything that I was able to give you some inspiration on how you can possibly wear the pieces that you did buy. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video, and share this video with all your friends. We're almost to 24K, so thank you for all the support, and until the next video, keep it cute.